Hello my friends, I'm here at a customer's house, and what I'm going to do today, I'm going to be replacing a condenser fan motor. This is a Goodman unit. um, we already got an approval, and it's an old unit, but we're going to be putting a rescue motor. This is a 835 RPM with 1.6 horsepower, and these are the tools I'm using. My drill, using that just to put some on the shaft to be able to remove the blade, sandpaper, my puller, gloves, and this one uses a 7.5 capacitor. So the first thing I did, I removed the wires from where they were connected. You know, the brown goes to the capacitor, and then you have a black one that connects to the board, and then the purple one, which is the other leg of power. And then I took the top off, and now I put some WD-40 right here. Just put some a little bit, and from there you just let it sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna sand it with this, and then we should be able to pull it out. If that doesn't work, then I'm gonna use this to remove it. But it should be really easy. So then you remove the bolts from the top. This was my last bolt, and then the motor should come out by itself. So there it is. That's the motor. Now we're gonna replace it with a new one. Here's my new motor out of the box right here. That's my new motor out of the box. That's the brand I used. Here's the wiring and schematic for this motor. So I just finished putting the new motor in, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together and wire it. So you have these 4 wires. These 2 brown wires goes to a 7.5 capacitor. The black one goes to the board, and the white one goes to the other leg of power. Okay. And here finally we have the new motor up and running. And here I put the capacitor. Make sure when you put the capacitor, you strap it really well so it doesn't fall and can cause the short. And there it is. Thank you for watching.